Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give me a like if you want to. Also follow me on Instagram at Mello'Z Nailz. You see it there on the screen. Now in today's video, I am just doing a quick short, not really review, but just a swatch video of this Modelones all-in-one kit. It has like everything you need, including gel polishes. I mean, it has those excuse me, it has 8 pots in there, and then it comes with all the tools and all that stuff. You'll see it here in the video, but I just wanted to pop in real quick because it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, and I just wanted to say hi to you guys. I missed you guys. I've been super busy just doing other crazy things in my life, but yeah, so I just wanted to come in and say hi. You won't actually see me swatch these poly gels because I have another video on my channel already where I've swatched Modelones poly gel, and it's the same exact poly gel. So I didn't do that in this video, but I did do the gel pots. But here I'm just showing you everything that's in this kit, so you guys can check it out. I will put a link in the description for it. I got it off of Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description for that. And I'm gonna leave you guys here and just check out the kit, check out the swatches. Make sure you watch till the end so you can see all the colors. And thanks again guys for watching. I appreciate y'all, and see you guys next time. Bye.